Our passion is the same today as it has been for the past 77 years. To help our customers succeed and grow. A global leader in mold technology with operations on 5 continents. Committed to helping customers through innovative new technologies and solutions, industry-leading breadth of products, and new digital platforms. DME is your go-to destination for all of your mold technology and molding needs. DME.net provides valuable technical information to educate and guide on industry-leading solutions. The most comprehensive digital resource for North American mold makers and molders. DME.net provides easy access to products, technical tips and solutions, resources, support tools, industry news, and configurators, all of which help in the design and manufacture of a successful plastic part. Whether you are a mold designer, mold maker, or molder, DME.net provides tailored information, access to resources, and general support. Partnering with designers at the beginning of projects, DME offers services to assist in the development of the optimal plastic part through design, material selection, tooling, and processing. From the industry's largest inventory of next-day available mold plates, North American machining centers for your custom mold bases, to the widest range of standard stock mold components and custom engineered solutions. From pellet to final part, we integrate our technologies to improve production uptime, eliminate scrap, and reduce cycle times. Featuring the latest products and technologies, discover new innovative mold technologies, assisting customers in increasing manufacturing quantities at lower cost with greater precision and quality. Access to a vast library containing all of the data required by mold makers and molders.
The DME Estore is a global resource that customers can use to access DME product information around the world. By selecting the flag in the upper right-hand corner, you can change your region to focus on DME products. Customers can log into the DME Estore by entering their ID and password. This password is associated with their account with DME, and it will give them access to specific information concerning their account. Customers are allowed to bulk upload if they have parts lists that they would like to order from DME, or they can shop parts through the product offering. Customers can also set up quick links to products that they frequently purchase from DME. The DME Estore page has a search text box at the top of every page. In this search text box, I can enter a part number, a competitor part number, or a product description to help search and identify and locate parts. I'm going to type in ejector pins, and from that entry, I can see on the left-hand side product categories, and on the right-hand side specific items. In this case, I'm going to pick the product category, straight ejector pins. This now gets me to the grouping of straight ejector pins. In this case, I'm interested in the DME EX pin. Now on this product page, you will see a list of many items that are within the DME EX family. I am shown if we have stock on the items, the price of the item, and an ability to quickly add the item to the shopping cart or get CAD data. In this case, I have 209 EX pins. I can quickly narrow down my search by using the filters on the left-hand side to reduce the selection. In this example, I've narrowed it down to 1/4" ejector pin. Another way I can locate products in the DME Estore is through the Products button. When I select Products, I can go through the DME hierarchy of products. DME groups our products as mold bases and plates, mold components, hot runners and controllers, mold supplies, die casting, and solutions. If I select on mold bases and plates, it will move me down to that section of the DME product offering. Then when I select on mold plate standards, I drill down deeper into the catalog of DME products that we offer. Let's say I need a rotary ground plate. When I select on rotary ground plate, I get to the product rotary ground plate. And as all of our product pages have, when you click on product details, it'll scroll to the bottom, giving product information, benefits, and links to common areas. We also see for our rotary ground plates, in this case, we have 1,565 possible plates. I may want to narrow down my selection. Maybe I'm looking for the 10-12 mold plates. So I'll pick that mold base size in my filter on the left-hand side, and I've quickly narrowed down my list to the 32 size plates. Now let's say in this example, I'm looking for some DME number 3 steel. I've now narrowed my selection down to the 9 available plates. I am shown what we have available in stock and what our price is, and I can add it to the cart. So if I see a plate that I need and we have stock, I may want to add that to my cart and continue shopping. You can see I've just put a second item into my cart. I can then go to my cart and manage my cart. I have the 10 ejector pins I added in my first example, the mold plate that I added in my second example. I can, if I wish, maybe I decided I want to have 2 of these. I can highlight the quantity and change it. And now my cart is updated. At any point in time, I can go to Secure Checkout. And the system will allow me to pick any of my accounts that I'm set up for, and I can process through securely. I can process my order to DME to have it fulfilled and shipped to me. On the DME Estore, we have a configurator available to configure mold bases and other DME products. When we go to the configurator, we get an option to go to the Americas configurator or our metric configurator. We'll go to the Americas configurator in this case. The DME US configurator, we have a number of options available. We have DME Express A series, DME Express B series, the DME Express stainless steel line, DME's Classic A series, DME Classic B series, and other configurators available. We're going to pick the DME Express A series configurator. Within the DME Express A series configurator, I can select the Express size. In this case, I'll click the DME 1112 mold base. I then need to specify my A plate thickness and my B plate thickness and my rail height. Additionally, I have other options, including a shuttle option for those who need a shuttle mold base. That would be 2 uppers and 1 lower, or 1 upper and 2 lowers. I can also choose for this A series to omit my support plate if that's what I need in my design. The DME Express A series comes standard with a guided ejection, but if I don't want guided ejection, I can choose to turn it off. In this case, I'll leave it turned on. Similarly, an Express A series comes with a sprue bushing and locating ring, but if I want that machining omitted, I can omit my center hole machining. Independently, I can decide if I want to include or not include the sprue bushing and locating ring, or I can select from other common locating rings and resize my screw bushing. Once I have my configuration set, I can click Refresh Price. And since I'm logged into the DME Estore, the system will come back with my price for this product. And in this case, this is telling me it's all in stock. It can be delivered within 1 day. At any point in time, I can save that configuration and I can add it to my cart. From within the DME Estore, designers can access CAD data to assist in their mold design process. In this example, I'm inside the DME configurator for the DME Express A-Series mold base. After the configuration is completed, the CAD download button can be selected and the system will generate a CAD model that you can download for use in your CAD system for the mold design. So here's the mold base that is selected. We can view that mold base, then we click on the tab CAD Download, and we can generate a CAD by adding a format. Let's say that I am a designer who uses Creo version 6. I can start that generation and the system will generate the CAD file for me. When the CAD file is available, I can download that into my CAD system, download that into my computer, and bring it into my CAD system to complete my mold design based on the DME standard. One nice feature of the DME Estore is the ability to bulk upload orders. This is a common feature used by purchasing agents or customers who might have a bill of material or a list of parts they want to purchase from DME. In the bulk order screen, you enter the part number and the quantity. Part number and quantity. And you continue to enter all the part numbers that you need. And when you want to add these to your cart, you simply click Add to Cart. The system will add those items to your shopping cart. Another way you can use bulk upload is you can bulk upload a list from an Excel file. This is very useful if you have very large orders and you have your orders in an Excel or other text file. You can download a template from DME. You can key in all your parts in the Excel file and upload the order via the Excel file. Again, this is a very useful tool if you have very long parts lists and you don't want to have to retype the parts in or look them up manually.